Generative design technology in Fusion 360 enables rapid design exploration by simultaneously generating multiple CAD-ready solutions based on manufacturing constraints, cost, and product performance requirements. This design method starts by framing the most essential geometrical aspects of the problem. Add, remove, or modify to create preserve regions, where geometry must remain, or obstacles, areas to be avoided. Loads are applied to represent the rigors the part must withstand, and from there multiple material options can be designated. Set the objective, whether that be to maximize stiffness or achieve a certain factor of safety, and at that point you're just about ready to start generating results. But before you do that, we'll deviate from traditional design scope to also include manufacturing constraints. Will the part be milled? Do you have access to a 5-axis machine, 3, or 2.5? Could the part be produced on a water jet or plasma cutter? What about die casting? Or do additive techniques provide the best value and performance? All of these options come with unique benefits, challenges, and costs associated with them. After generating, explore the results with different tools and plots to compare each outcome based on the properties that are most important to you, whether that be mass, performance, displacement, or cost. While mass, performance, and displacement are pulled directly from the details calculated during the study, to gauge the cost, Autodesk teamed with A Priori, an industry leader in manufacturing simulation and cost insights. Their costing model interrogates the geometry for features or tolerances that would be complex or costly depending on the manufacturing processes. This allows engineers to strike that right balance between performance and cost. The exported result is a watertight solid body that Fusion 360 users can edit using T-splines technology, or sketches in the case of 2D manufacturing processes, to make any necessary adjustments. Fusion 360 connects generative design and engineering with a fully integrated manufacturing workspace. For those generating machine code and producing parts, this means you can start programming in the same environment and even get a head start while the design is finalized, because the process to update the toolpaths is as simple as regenerating them. Fusion 360 integrates generative design technology and accessible manufacturing options so you can bring optimized solutions into your business today.